Hello and welcome back to this video about the Yak-141 plane. The Yak-141 was a Soviet-era supersonic vertical takeoff and landing fighter jet that was developed in the 1980s. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the history, design, and capabilities of this remarkable aircraft. History. The Yak-141 was developed in the late 1970s as part of the Soviet Union's effort to build a supersonic fighter that could take off and land vertically. This was seen as a critical requirement for the Soviet Navy, which needed a fighter that could operate from aircraft carriers without the need of a runway. The Yak-141 was developed by the Yankov Design Bureau, which had a long history of building fighter aircraft for the Soviet military. Design. The Yak-141 was a unique aircraft in many ways. Its most notable feature was its ability to take off and land vertically, thanks to the three jet nozzles that could be angled to provide lift. This made it possible for the Yak-141 to operate from small ships or unprepared landing strips, which was a significant advantage over other fighter aircrafts at the time. The Yak-141 was also equipped with a powerful turbofan engine that could propel it to supersonic speeds of over 1,400 miles per hour. In addition to its vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, the Yak-141 was designed to be a highly maneuverable aircraft in the air. It featured a delta wing design and was equipped with advanced avionics and weapon systems including a 30mm cannon, air-to-air missiles, and air-to-surface missiles. The Yak-140 was also designed to be stealthy with a low radar cross-section that made it difficult for enemy radar systems to detect. Capabilities. The Yak-141 was an impressive aircraft with a range of capabilities that made it well suitable to a variety of military operations. Its ability to take off and land vertically made it ideal for operations on small ships where space was limited. It could also operate from unprepared landing strips, making it an efficient option for military operations in remote locations. The Yak-141's supersonic speed and advanced weapon systems made it a formidable opponent in air-to-air and air-to-surface combat. One of the most impressive aspects of the Yak-141 was its maneuverability. Thanks to its delta wing design and advanced avionics, the Yak-141 was capable of performing complex aerial maneuvers that other fighter aircrafts could not do. This made it a popular aircraft for air shows and demonstrations, where its impressive performance was sure to draw a crowd. Conclusion. The Yak-141 was a remarkable aircraft that pushed the boundaries of what was possible in fighter jet design. Its vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, supersonic speed, and advanced weapon systems made it a highly capable fighter aircraft that was well suited to a variety of military operations. While the Yak-141 was never put into full-scale production, it remains an important milestone in the history of aviation and a testament of agility and skill of engineers and designers who created it. That's all for this video about the Yak-141. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below.